Well, hey everybody. Let me tell you, it is raining right now, but I haven't been fishing in forever. I just need to get out there, and so one reel, just a spinning reel, just have a little jig head. I'm just gonna throw some plastic grubs. I'm going to a spot that is just loaded with like rock bass, bluegill, maybe some smallmouth. But I just need to go fishing. I don't care. There should be enough tree coverage where I don't get downpoured on, but even if I do, I just need to go fishing. Need to get out there. So that's where I'm going. We're headed back there now. I got a little bit of a walk, and I'll see y'all back there. Let's see what happens. Oh, I missed him. Oh, no way! That thing got sent. I might have just a little bit of too big a hook on. Nibble it, come on. Nibble it. That was a good nibble. Problem is, even rock bass, they have such small mouths. Oh, he spit it out. That happens. They might just be getting the tail of the plastic and not the hook at all. A lot of algae on these rocks. They've just been sitting in the sun. The first time we've had rain in months, it feels like. Maybe not months, maybe that's an exaggeration. Oh, that was such a good bite. I just want to catch one fish in here, and then I'll move spots, because I got another good spot in mind. But I know there's always fish stuck in this little hole. There we go. There we go. Yeah, you see that? The tiniest rock bass in all the land. Oh. But he enjoyed it. He enjoyed it. Look at how cute. A cute little guy. And that's it, y'all. That is what is absolutely loaded in this little hole. Little rock bass. See, now we've got the pattern figured out. The steady drop. A little bit bigger. quit kicking. Barely hooked too. Look at that. Such cool little fish. Here, get you cleaned up. Get that seaweed off of you. Number 2. Another cute little guy. Alright, I don't see any good spot to set up my phone, so we're just gonna roll with the GoPro here, and I hope that there's fish in here, even though there's zero current right now. I've not seen it this light in a long time. Yeah, that's what happens when you don't have any rain. It's crazy. Oh, hold on, there's a leaf stuck on my hook. That ain't gonna catch nothing. There we go. Let's go right out in the middle. Oh, had a bite, had a bite. Again, they're little, so it's tough to feel. There we go. Oh, that was a good bite. Let's go. That's the biggest one yet. Hey, I'm helping you, bud. Don't squirm on me like that. Look at that, y'all. Oh no, not another snag. That is one thing I know of. There's so many rocks in here. Oh. We break off? Yeah, we broke off. Well, I think that'll do it then, because it's pouring rain. But hey, it has been an absolute blast. Bye-bye.